Have you ever pondered the importance of elections? Do they truly shape the destiny of nations, or are they simply a democratic ritual? Our journey begins in ancient Greece and Rome, where elections first took their root. It's fascinating that the democratic archetype, ancient Athens, saw elections as an oligarchic institution. Instead, they filled most political offices using sortition, a process where office holders were chosen by lot. As we journey through the medieval period, we discover that elections were not just confined to selecting rulers like the Holy Roman Emperor and the Pope. They were also used in India during the Vedic period. The king of a tribal organization, or Ghana, was elected by the members of the Ghana. Although the king usually hailed from the warrior class and was often the son of the previous king, the Ghana members had the final say in his election. This democratic spirit persisted even during the Sangam period in India. People elected their representatives by casting their votes in ballot boxes, usually pots, which were then sealed. After the election, the votes were counted, a process not too dissimilar to our current practices. In the early medieval Bengal, the election of the Palaking Gopala by a group of feudal chieftains was commonplace. A similar practice was also observed in the Chola Empire around 920 Common Era. In a town called Uthiramerur, palm leaves inscribed with candidate names were placed inside a mud pot. A young boy was then asked to draw as many leaves as the number of positions available. This method was known as the Kudavalai system. In the modern era, starting from the 17th century, elections became the primary mechanism by which representative democracies operated. They filled offices in the legislature, sometimes in the executive and judiciary, and for regional and local government. This global use of elections as a tool for selecting representatives marked a significant contrast to the practices of ancient democracies. The evolution of elections did not stop there. The process of introducing fair electoral systems where they were not in place, or improving the fairness or effectiveness of existing systems, became known as electoral reform. Psephology, the study of results and other statistics relating to elections, emerged as a scientific discipline. To summarize, elections began in ancient Greece and Rome, evolved through the medieval period, and became the cornerstone of modern representative democracies. They have come a long way from sortition and palm leaf ballots to complex electoral systems and psephology. However, their essence remains the same: a formal group decision-making process by which a population chooses individuals to hold public office. Whether they truly shape the destiny of nations or are simply a democratic ritual is a question left for you to ponder.